Kublai P. Baro, Ginigilong Kubor, Bamdagasni. Ka East Jaintia Hills District, Riat Lingba, Ying Bishar, Chief Judicial Magistrate, Kalashim Bishar Mantagasni, Yaka GR case number 172, 2019, Kabami, Nakriat PS case 11307, 2019, Hapoka Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act, Chiajar Praspan, Rupo, Berkiwiki Section, Junka IPC. Hagani kamukot duma ki briu ki basya pengat kerteng ki dekhot jeng ke Meghalaya People's United Front MPUF ki long dapoi 1 mi lalu Vicky Dekhar Thaulat Lingdo Kirshan Bla but Michael Chermang ex-member. Ya ke MPUF laya saat umuktiar ba simply karbai ke court case lapan shishadu Albert W. Lanong Chief Judicial Magistrate East Jaintia Hills. Habakran Shikilat Pathai Khubor Hashilong Press Club u President ke MPUF ulapan pau. Ya ke jing penslam ki mukot duma jing ki pulit kablane bunsnem ki jing bakla ha ke jing toket ba ke jing bamdan ke jing shai ka babiang na ki bor sarkar. Ula keno ba ke ka case kelas lem palat bunsnem. Bar kamdun shu ke jing penstat ya ke kam kat ba ki bor ba toket pat kim shamla ban ai ke jing tip ka ba shai shakinong shakta bat shakaseng. Ulo ongru ba ki jing bakla ha ka ba yepen phai jing tem apreng ki thanan kalawan ra ke jing kulmar bat ba ki samla seng kila sha apen saja klem nongrim. Ha kani ke jing jia ulo mud duru ba ka seng kila sha apen idur pen thop ria bat sha apen thia da ka ba omdan ke jing kershan ka ba biang. U president ke MPUF ulo ong ba ka seng ka khmi lenti ba ki bor ba dai pen ken pelong ya ke jing toket da ke jing bishar hong. Jing pen shai ba jing pen kala halor ka rukam trekam. Kanang bagi nong syakta kinyo ya ke jing bishar ka badai ula kerpat ru ya ke sorkar bat kipat ba bakin sngotu ba ke jing penslam kala wanra ke jing ba ke jing shitom ha ke ying ke sem jong ki bishakta kamu kod duma kala pengsan shishu ha ke ying bishar jong Chief Judicial Magistrate kar kum ki we kilat jing bishar kunthop ke jing pen mi charge bat ke jing toket ya ke sakhi
hakatu kopor ba jia de case ngarang de unong elam jong ka MPUF bat mentah dan dari surah ni nak kalian jom ni lain ni premjur yang kajing lek di kipelit ini harga tu house ni marzakat dai bat ni kalian jom ni premjur bat harga tu kopor di polis gila I case mutla bat mut ki I case talk ini I case kumar ini ngim tip ngim song thau ruk ke case bagi ini tak haden balawan ka notice jong kokon bagi lasno tu oba katu kopor bagi lai case ni tengi ni ai kudai ya kakut buran buram bah ka jing bisa jong ka bisa hok jong ka ni layo ya ka jing bicara ka bahok bat haden rus nem ni baik ni ya ka case ni layo ya ka jing bisa ka bahok bat apok kini kin rus nem ka jing berkat jong ni ka kulmar bat ka among ka pisah ka pilan jong ni ru ka ta bayar ya ka case bat ni na kalian jong ni lainun ni nam song likti ye kene case wa ni nam song likti bat ngin pe ni ya konsol bat ki expert bayar jong ni bat ngin saya pe kumno ban ya ikhmat ta ngana kalian jong ngaru kumba ong ni presiden jong ka MPUF ni kentu ya kipat ba namar kibi kun kini case don gun ki jingjia kipat ba ki cha case talk ni nak liang jong ni kim tui ki pai ba bala da chia kim kini kim dei banting ki dei ban ya chakman namar wadon sibun ki an ki ban ya da ya ki kat ba dang don ke kut ni sanya ke kut bodon buram ba kan yo ini ya ke jeng bicar ke bahok yu no namar la dang ni pe ru pe hakini ki benai bala der kumu we no dokot jongga MC toda itu hak tu kopor bayar ki so toda MC toda sakon weu rival trot ta andau la poe thanat ki pulit ki phak sai ha we ko sada bat haden bat utu rival utip ba o mut hak tu ko sada mut la ujor dak FIR ya ki perano yelam pe yang itu rupi ngatrai pi media le yo ilu di to te kun kini ki jingjia ni tentu yo pai ba bakin nom ting bakin ya chakmat namar ba ka hok jong ki kan yeng da ka badon jong ka kut bodon buram bat ni sanya ka kut bodon buram ba kan yo ya ka jing bicar ka ba hok tang kata ni
kadwai arpo arsan ta hello I officer in charge here the report Rambai CGR Rambai ula I ni under the mere suspicion the suspicion ba katum kanina ka finding jo ko code kamdon kanu kabanta nakalen jo ki police department ke baki lale ba kadai ne ka case kalong kadon ka credibilities hendrai ki show register le ka case claim le ya ka procedures jo ka na ta daw ko code kala fine ki lu host ka ne kabanta na ta daw kala aku ye ne case kamdon kanu documents Idon kibun kibenta kiba provision jong ka ani ka island ini kum kat kum citizens te ngila banya ya ki ne kibenta tamba ya menta hingin consult so ya legal expert ki jungi haga ba kin ai ni ka advice what is the best ka bangin le haga ba ye berkane kanang bangin la bande na ka benta tang ka benta ka jungi hanrai na ka benta ban long kum kunuksa ya ki weru pakila bande da kidon kum gini kibenta tamba we will look into the matter but ni saya discuss but legal expert ki jungi bakin kai ka bakin advice ni baginya inya ke kum advice jungi house nam ara char khat khandai
Kira mana bagi suspect kalau
they suspect us under the section of 468 and 471 with this section it says about forgery and prevention of Cruelty to Animal Acts 1960.
Ini suatu bagi pengusaha kemal itu. Hadrat kalian tu pihak sen IUP dan jena IUP lihat bah tak dulu kata nak pelit kan ujung kat dunia IPC.
On that day we have received a complaint from the truck driver that there is a police officer lagi police ki bay don lanti ki babat egi kali ki jumki te as an NGOs we have the privilege ban laj yakando nani ban laj kran babalai fi bad ekini kali te hadin ban laj yakando yaki driver hakato ko por te kila pani yani ki salam ki bangi kumba kilom jenvin te nakata kadaw pani ni yakran yakini ki chalan kumba kilom ki jenvin nakata kadaw ni le ra yakini ki chalan hapo police department ban laj yakran babalai fi bad ekini kali na marba kila don ki chalan te if it is fake then the police should verify kin the chalan. But they have not verified the channel. That is the kabalong kabasiong lango ay gigin. Nakong siya ni Kongresan Meghalaya People United Front nangkat padu ni nangalam huwag kasen. Minta kasing ni wan ban presyon siya pa hagabayaday bat kanig kakis Johnson Arja Kandai, GR case number 172 under the section of 468, 471 and 11 of the PCA Act 1960. Hagabayade bat kanega case but ngilayo ya kanega orders na po ka session court jong di East Janjal district ha ka Katrik unai katway arpo arpusan. Te haswa banyin poi syakanek benta. Ikwa haswa banai kublai ya advocate jungi. Dawan man pasien rangkat batki associate ki jemu aga bakila ya trishtom ban penyo ini ya kanega justice nodo usnam ajar kat kandai bar hadu unta kumbang layo ya kaneko adat. Misio ban ai kublai ru ya ka session court trong East Janjals kabala ayang i justice hagabaya day bat kani katkum kani ka case kabala ayang i daki police hagato por lamba ka police East Janjal district lamba ka police Lambai police station lani bid house kila ayang i hagato por bat ki OC ki badai hagato por kila register yang ni case po sayang i Kabas yung lungo kanong bangi kung ki nong yalam chong ka MPUF ngimtip hakanu kanong rin baki register ini ya kaniga case nagkakadaw ngi nagalayan chong ngi hadin mangilayo ya kaniga case mangilayay alang ba ya kaniga case kumba nadu warajat kakanay bat adong kumban dream yosnem te hakajingyan enti chong ngi ya kaniga case ngi syam nilay kandu shibun kijingnya but ni don ga kijing karmenu baga court kan ay ngi justice bat ngilayo ya justice te balay ngi wan man paw yo pa ba ne lang ba ki lat patay kubor ba ni sio ba ki pa ki dan kambang tip ya ka hok ka jungki Namar ba wat yangi ki leaders lada ki police ki la ban ai case te kanotam ya ki pai ba ki bomnang ban yale ya ki case tene dai na kata kadau kani kalong kum ka awareness dai bangi don personal problems lani don daw bano lani bat ki police ni don sibut ki porlok police ki bangi ya ni ya train post ko por handrai ki don ki police ki bashim kabu ya ka uniform ka jengki bat kumju da ka ba pentrai kam ya kabor ka jengki da ka ba haras yo pai ba haki babon ki benta dan da ka ba register ya ki case persya ya ki innocent te dai na kata kadau nak len jongi kum kaseng Meghalaya People United Front ni penpau bat kajing pensai so pai ba pat kanuru kum ko warning ya ki babon namong ya baro ki polis ya kito ki polis ki bashim kabu ya ka an bat ban pen sitong ya ki beri jongi hakir kom ba per lada kadai hak pas physical ne lada kadai hak personal ne lada kadai hak ino bentang ti dai na kadau ni kum kisen ni wan par so pai ba pamila job ya kan kes ban ni kwa ban am ya pai ba lada phiru phi kendo ikum kini kijinge phimdai ban te dai pidai ban ya kakum ki kendon jong kaan pat kadon hi pakut ban bisa ya ka hok jong phi haki ba dai bat kini bentang. Me as a president of Meghalaya People United Front, along with my another friends from the other organization, we have came here to express the feeling that we have got regarding the justice that the court has given us on the day of 12/11/2025. Regarding this judgment, the case registered at East Jaintia District Police through Larumbai PS. So the section was charging against us is under the section of 468, 471 and 11 of the PCA Act 1960. Here in this FIR, which was lodged against us by the officer in charge of the police station at the time, the FIR has been registered against us, and during that day, that from that time onwards, that we have faced the trials in the court for this FIR, and after going through this trial, we face a lot of problems regarding physically and mentally harassed by the police at that time. So we are facing this trial. Finally, we thank God for giving us the justice on this day, because if court has not been there, it will be a problem for us. So the court has finding in this FIR, there is no credibility regarding this FIR. Therefore, the court has released us and acquitted the case. The matter was related with the cattle smuggling. So we received a complaint from one of the drivers who were carrying the cattle, in fact the local cattle at the time. So he was showing us some documents which we see that it is like an original documents. So after seeing the documents, so we went to the police station to ask them that why you detained the vehicle despite they are having the challan. So it is the duty of the police to verify whether the challan is fake, genuine, or it is the duty of the police to check whether the challan is fake or genuine. But the police did not do that. In fact, they registered a case against us for forging and fraud. So with regard to this, we have facing this trial for the entire 7 years. The police is saying that we have produced a fake challan and fraud documents. We have forged the documents, but we are not the one who produced the challans or the document. In fact, it was the challan we are taken from the driver of the truck. There is provision of the law for which we as a citizen has a right to move to the court, and we will consult this matter to our legal expert, and whatever the necessary thing, what advice they are giving to us, we'll follow them. We are saying that we will consult our legal expert, and whatever the advice they are giving to us, like legal notice and so on, so we'll serve them. What I'm saying that this is not the case against us or against Kerchan, against Dapoy, against Michal. This is a case that which relevant to so many matters. Like if what happened to the general public for who do not know how to fight the case. So if this is the thing, that's why this is an example to other general public, that if you face such a thing, then you do not afraid of anything. You just move to the court. There is a court who can serve you a justice.